Is your morning shower feeling more like a small drip than a refreshing spray? Low water pressure in your shower is a common complaint, but there are a few things you can try before calling in the experts. Start by checking your shower head for mineral buildup, especially if you live in hard water areas. Removing the shower head and soaking it in vinegar can clear out any blockages. Make sure all the water valves in your home, including the main water valve and those near your bathroom, are fully open. Sometimes the problem is as simple as turning a valve the rest of the way. It's also a good idea to test other faucets around your home. If you notice low pressure everywhere and not just the shower, the issue could be with your water pipes, your pressure regulator, or even your main water line. If possible, check for visible signs of leaks, like damp spots or unexplained puddles near plumbing. Don't forget that your shower may also have a flow restrictor built in to help conserve water. Removing the restrictor can sometimes help boost pressure, but make sure to check your local regulations before making any changes or call a plumbing professional for advice. If you have tried all of these steps and your shower pressure is still not where you want it, the problem may be bigger than you can solve alone. Plumbing leaks, aging pipes, or pressure regulator issues are difficult to fix without proper tools and knowledge. Trusted Plumbing and Heating offers leak repair, repiping, pressure regulator service, and full shower upgrades to help you get the water flow you need. Don't settle for weak water any longer. To restore strong, satisfying pressure to your shower, get in touch with the team at Trusted Plumbing and Heating today.